Imagine you're about to embark on a thrilling adventure. You've packed your bags, booked your flights, and you're ready to explore. But then, disaster strikes. Your YouTrip card gets declined. Has this ever happened to you? It's a frustrating and unexpected situation that can ruin your plans. Today, we're going to dive deep into the reasons why your YouTrip card might be getting declined and what you can do about it. One of the most common reasons for card declines is insufficient funds. Make sure you have enough money in your YouTrip account to cover your transaction. Another possibility is that your card might be expired. Check the expiration date on your card and make sure it's still valid. Sometimes, your card might be flagged for suspicious activity. This could happen if you're making transactions in a location that's unusual for you or if you're making large purchases. Lastly, there might be a technical issue with YouTrip's system. If you're experiencing repeated declines, it's a good idea to contact YouTrip's customer support. Additional tips. To avoid card declines, it's a good idea to notify YouTrip of your travel plans beforehand. This will help them keep an eye out for any unusual activity on your account. You should also make sure your card is active and in good working condition. If you're having trouble with your card, contact YouTrip's customer support for assistance. When making transactions, it's always a good idea to have a backup payment method, such as cash or another card. Specific scenarios and solutions. Let's explore some specific scenarios where your YouTrip card might be declined and what you can do about it. If your card is declined at a restaurant, it's possible that the merchant might have a policy against using foreign cards. In this case, you can try paying with cash or another card. If your card is declined at an ATM, it's possible that the ATM is out of cash or that there's a technical issue. You can try using a different ATM or contacting YouTrip's customer support. If your card is declined online, it's possible that the merchant is not accepting foreign cards or that there's a problem with your transaction. You can try using a different card or contacting the merchant's customer support. Card declines can be frustrating, but by understanding the common reasons and taking preventative measures, you can minimize the risk of this happening. Remember to check your account balance, ensure your card is valid, and notify YouTrip of your travel plans. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support team. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.